So why my ad is not performing well? You've created your campaign, launched your ads, and waiting for potential customers to visit your website. But your ads are not performing as you have hoped, and you are wondering what could be wrong. Where do you start? What should you do to improve your campaign results? Let's look at some of the reasons why your ad may be not performing as it should. Number 1, website or landing page. Your website or landing page is a crucial element to your ad campaign success and should always be correctly optimized. Although your landing page can contain a combination of text and images, consider adding a video to increase landing page conversions by as much as over 80%. Here are a few more helpful landing page tips. Avoid stock images. Try to use original images of your company, products, or services and avoid stock images where possible. Also, long, confusing text. Try to keep your written content interesting, to the point, and properly formatted.
Boring. Boring.
That's too long.
You're right, far too long.
Potential customers don't want to read pages full of information, but rather get the information they are looking for by glancing at your page swiftly. Relevancy. Your landing page or website should be relevant to your ad. If the context of the website is far from the text of the ad, it will discourage people from taking any action. Have a clear call to action. Make sure you have a clear call to action. Book a demo, get a quote, download a PDF, call us. Navigation issues. Your website or landing page should be simple and easy to navigate. You don't want potential customers clicking away immediately because they can't find the information they are looking for. Avoid too many pop-ups. A pop-up can be a great marketing tool, but careful, don't overuse them. Don't use more than one pop-up in your landing page. Lack of transparency. Your landing page should give a clear, concise information about your company, benefits, pricing right from the start. Audience. That's number 2, a very important one. When you plan your ad campaign, always try to understand your audience pain points. Create a message that will attract their attention and provide a solution to their needs. Always add value. Highlight your value proposition to attract the attention of your specific target audience. Now think of your focus audience. Start with a broader audience, ages, genders, interests. Over time, you can narrow your target audience based on performance of your ad campaigns with specific requirements or interests. Yes, be specific. Targeting too many cities or countries will mean you won't have enough data to make assumptions about your target audience. It is better to focus on targeting just one country or city for each ad campaign.
Key to victory is micro-targeting.
Number 3, very important, ad or ad creation. There are many ways you can optimize your ads for each campaign you're running with Nanos. By changing your ads or running a few different versions of an ad, you will quickly be able to test the results and see what works best for your audience. Here's how you can improve the content of your ads. Campaign being too short. It takes a few days for nanos.ai technology to perfectly optimize your campaign, so it's recommended that you run your ads for at least 2 weeks. Optimize your budget. If you have a small budget, focus on one advertising platform. Review your headline. Your headline may not be catchy enough, which means you won't attract potential customers' attention. Your headline should be appealing, inviting, and reflect exactly what you are offering.
Isn't that misleading?
Our product is fine. I smoke them myself.
Your ad description. Your ad description should be clear and relevant to your website. Images and videos. Visuals are always a benefit to any ad, but it has to be suitable. The wrong call to action. When you create an ad, make sure you have the correct call to action, encouraging potential customers to take this action. Wrong platform. Revisit the ad platforms you selected. Is it the right choice for your ad campaign? For example, a service-based business would benefit from advertising on Google, but not on Instagram. Wrong country and city. Make sure you have chosen the right geographical location for your ad campaign. Another one, very important, a relevant landing page. Your ad may be good, but you also need to make sure that your website or your landing page is relevant to that particular ad and provides the correct information. Your ad's performance depends on several factors, so it's always a good idea to review the basic guidelines to make sure that you optimized your campaign for the best results. The right ad creative combined with nanos.ai advertising technology and a perfect website will allow you to run highly successful campaigns across many platforms, including Google, Instagram, or Facebook. If you want to see how Nanos can help you advertise online, contact us to schedule a consultation and start your ad campaign today.